Hi friends, Marley here and welcome back to Gardening in Kentucky YouTube channel. In today's video, I will talk about how to plant corn. So corn is one of my favorite summer plants. Corn does need a lot of room to grow, but you can actually grow it in containers, and I have seen some people do it. This year I planted 4 rows of corn. There are shorter rows because I want to plant my corn in a block for pollination, and this is how I plant them. Corn is better direct seeded in the ground because corn does not like to be transplanted. And you see these lines, these are my drip irrigation lines. If you can see, and I have 4, and I dug up a trench and then I dropped the corn seeds, and I put 2 in each part, and they are 12 inches away. When you're growing corn, you don't really want like 2 of them side by side, like next to each other. Like if you look at this one, that's between 1 to 2 inches apart. This is grass, so let's remove that. But these 2 are the corn plants that have sprouted a couple of days ago. And whenever these plants are bigger, I'm going to thin this out into just 1 plant per spot. So I'm gonna have 32 plants in this area. So basically, when this corn is a lot bigger, I can move this soil back into the row, this line here where I planted the corn, so that I can bury a lot more of the stem. This technique actually works really good to establish a stronger corn plant, because like whenever it rains and your corn is not planted deep enough, they fall over to the ground. Well, some of them like get up whenever the sun comes up, but then most of the time like they just stay laying on the ground, and I don't want that. So that's why trenching when you're planting the corn is very important for your corn plants. In terms of soil preparation, I amended the soil with a slow release organic granular fertilizer that has NPK represented, and then I also added blood meal. Blood meal is an organic source of nitrogen, and it's a very good source of nitrogen. I use blood meal for my corn and for other plants that love nitrogen. I usually just put the fertilizer in the row where I plant the corn, and then like here I dropped the fertilizer in this row where you see the irrigation tubing, and then after that I mix the fertilizer with the soil, and then I planted the corn seeds. Whenever my corn plants are about knee-high, I will come back and fertilize the plants again with blood meal. And what you will do is you're gonna spread the fertilizer between the rows and then mix them up with the soil so that the roots of the corn will be able to access the fertilizer, because what I understand is that the roots of the corn grow sideways. I mean, there are roots that will grow like straight down, but some of the roots will grow sideways, and this will absorb the nutrients. If you want to learn more about growing corn in your backyard garden, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you will never miss a video. Thank you for watching, and happy gardening!